What holds society together? Is it similarity or difference? In the late 19th century, Émile Durkheim asked this exact question. His answer became one of the most important theories in sociology: mechanical and organic solidarity. Mechanical solidarity exists in traditional societies. Here, cohesion comes from sameness. People share the same religion, customs, work, and moral beliefs. Think of a small rural village where generations live side by side, attend the same mosque or church, celebrate the same holidays, and follow the same norms. Social order is strong because difference is minimal. In such societies, law tends to be punitive. If someone breaks the norm, the punishment is harsh, because the crime threatens the collective conscience, the shared moral system that binds everyone together. Organic solidarity, on the other hand, defines modern societies. Instead of sameness, cohesion comes from interdependence. We are different, but we need each other. Think about a modern city like Oslo. A doctor depends on engineers for hospital equipment. Engineers depend on teachers. Teachers depend on farmers. Farmers depend on transport workers. No one survives alone. Our unity comes from specialization. Here, law becomes restitutive rather than punitive. The goal is not moral revenge, but restoring balance. Contracts, rights, compensation. Society functions like a body. Different organs, different roles, one system. But Durkheim also warned of danger. When specialization increases too quickly, people may feel disconnected. He called this anomie, a state of normlessness where individuals feel lost despite being surrounded by others. Today, we live in highly organic societies, yet many people crave mechanical belonging. Online communities, fandoms, ideological groups, these recreate sameness within complexity. They offer identity in a fragmented world. Interestingly, centuries earlier, Ibn Khaldun described asabiyyah, group solidarity, as the force that builds civilizations. His insight mirrors mechanical solidarity. Strong collective bonds create social power. But as societies grow wealthier and more complex, solidarity weakens. The paradox is this: modern society gives us freedom through difference. Traditional society gives us security through sameness. Too much sameness can suppress individuality. Too much difference can produce isolation. So the real question is not which solidarity is better. The real question is, how do we create meaning in a world where we are deeply connected, yet deeply divided? If this changed how you see your own society, subscribe and join this channel where we unpack the foundations of social life, one theory at a time.